What's good, wealth builders? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, the Ron Putting Work Burke. And today we're talking about Facebook paying you to do a live event. So let's go. Okay, real quick. Make sure you subscribe to the channel because we talk about making more money, saving more money, and building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand. Will Facebook pay you to do a live event? Okay, it's called paid online events on Facebook. It's a new way to monetize your live online events through a one-time access charge that's collected when guests register to attend. With paid online events, you'll be able to create your event and promote it to your audience and host it all in one place. Guests will be able to watch your event through the Facebook event page on their phone, tablet, or computer, even through the Facebook TV app. Paid online events works with the live video platform that works best for you. If you use Facebook Live only, people who have purchased access through your event page unless you extend the invitation to free access, okay? Unfortunately though, not everyone can use the option to have Facebook pay you to do live events. To check your page's eligibility for monetization, go to Creator Studio, monetization, and click the View Page Eligibility button in the status widget at the top of the page. Please note that page eligibility for monetization is a separate requirement for being in a region where paid online events are available, because this must be met in order to set up a paid online event. All right, so there you have it. This is how you get Facebook to pay you to do an online live event. I did forget to mention that you need to have a Facebook page to even have the option to do this. So if you don't have a Facebook page, you might want to get one. And if you want your free guide to passive income, click the link below. Check out the Wealth Builder's Guide to Passive Income. All links in the description below. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being a subscriber. It's the man, it's the myth, the Ron Putting Work Burke, signing off for Facebook will pay you to do a live event. All right? Do remember, Wealth Brothers, make more, save more, build more. Peace.